everyone! Today I am going to make a Sunkissed makeup look. The other day I was just messing around with makeup and I like the way this turned out. So I'm going to show you guys how I did that. I'm first off going in with concealer. This is by Fenty Beauty. This is in the shade 340. And I'm dotting that across my face where I believe I need some coverage. Then I'm blending that out with my fingertips. Now I'm gonna set my concealer with a banana powder, and also where I tend to be shiny, like my forehead, my chin, sometimes even my nose, and just mattifying what I think I need to be mattified. Now that we're done with that, I'm gonna go with the Milk's Makeup eyebrow gel, and this is in the darkest shade. I'm mainly focusing on the edges of my brow because that's where I tend to have less eyebrow hair, and then going in with a spoolie to blend it out. Curling my lashes also, just to, make my eyes look really cute, and then using eyeliner and just making a wing. I tend to make my wings really thin because when I open my eyes and they happen to be too thick, it looks really weird. Then I'm going in with a pink shimmer for my inner corner to brighten up my eyes. Then with the e.l.f. blush palette, I am using the darkest shade and dotting that on my cheeks first because a little bit goes a long way with this. And then I'm gonna blend it out. I'm gonna go across my nose to my cheeks to get like a really flushed look. And just for fun, I wanted to add this orangey color and focus that on the apples of my cheeks and blend it out with the rest of the blush. For highlight, I'm using a Sugar Sweets palette, and I'm using the shade Honey. It is a shimmery shade, and I'm just putting that on the high points of my face. Then putting on some chapstick, and then I'm gonna go in with the Fenty Beauty's lipstick. This is in the shade Shoddy. It is like a brown nude to me, but if I put a little bit, it comes like this really pretty orangey brown color. And then I'm going in with some lip gloss by Fenty also, and we're done.
Good little girl, always picking a fight with me. You know that I'm bad, but you're spending the night with me. What do you want?